To sign in to your Samsung account on the Samsung Internet browser, all you need to do is simply click on the menu icon like so, and then select the option Settings. In your Settings menu, you're going to select the option Sync and Import, and then select Sync with Samsung Cloud. From here, it will then open up this pop-up menu that simply tells you to sign into your account. You may be prompted to allow Samsung to run in the background, so just confirm that choice and then sign in to your Samsung account. You can choose to sign in with Google or with an email address. You can choose to find ID, create an account, or scan this using your Samsung device. So go ahead and just sign into your account. And then after a few moments, that window should close and you should be able to see you've been successfully signed into your Samsung account. So here it is, it's been successfully added. If I had any bookmarks or saved passwords that were under that specific account, they've also been added to the Samsung Internet browser on my computer. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.